This thing can completely just go in the trash because it's totally junk. It's useless now. What's good, YouTube? Your boy Eardrum Assassin. Today we're going to be installing on the 2020 Kawasaki Ninja 636, the Servo Buddy. Super simple to install, and I'm going to show you how. So let's get to it, guys. So guys, to install the Servo Buddy, first thing we need to do is remove the seats. So I'm going to set you down real quick, and we'll get these seats removed, and we can get to the Servo Buddy. So this is your servo motor. There's usually 2 cables hooked to it. I've already disconnected them once I installed my hot bodies slip-on. I just got rid of the cables right off the bat, so I don't have to deal with them because they run all through the plastics down through here and down into the butterfly and the exhaust. So now all I need to do is remove 2 10mm screws and the wiring, which is tucked in here, and let's get to that. And here we have the big clunky ugly servo motor, which is pretty much useless. It's just for emissions in California, I believe. Don't even need it here, but this thing can completely just go in the trash because it's totally junk. It's useless now. And look how much space that freed up. I mean, it's crazy. Look at it. That's just bananas how much space is in there now. It's fit all kinds of stuff in there. So yeah, we're gonna get this Servo Buddy hooked up and we'll be all set. Super quick, super simple to do. Here we have it, guys. It's all hooked up. It's tucked away in here. I'll show you how tiny it actually is. That is how small the Servo Buddy actually is. Just tuck it in there. Put the wiring boot down. And as you can see, it's nice and clean, factory looking. We freed up all this space, so now we can put stuff in here, whatever we want. Turn the key on. Let's make sure we don't have any codes or anything up. Oh, wrong key. Wrong key, guys. Excellent. Perfecto. Beautiful. All right, let's get these seats put back on and we're done. So the Servo Buddy did come with a couple stickers. I think I'm gonna slap them on right below the Eardrum Assassin on the swing arm. I think it'll look pretty good. We're just gonna put one of each on. Here we go, fellas. We got a little more bling to the swing arm. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up. Comment below what you think of the Ninja 636 and the Servo Buddy. If you have the 636, comment below what you have done to it. I'll be doing the undertail soon. I also got some crash protection frame sliders coming. Those are super simple to install. I'll be doing a video of those. And yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.